Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to pay your Etsy bill with PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow the steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, what we're going to do is go ahead and open up the official Etsy website. Right here Etsy.com, you want to open it up if you have not already. Once you have opened it up, we can get started. You'll be greeted by the main page where we can get started signing up in the upper right corner. If you do not already have an account, what you want to do is sign up for an account, and if you have one, you can just log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, which is the main page where you can find all the products we can access. We can even manage our store from right here and so on. But let's go and take a look at how we can pay with PayPal when using Etsy Shop and paying for products. It's very easy. First things first, you're going to go and find the product that you want to use. Find any product that you want to use and add it to your cart. You can pay for all the products the same way. So open up any product that you might want to use. Let's say this one right here, and from here we can get started with adding it to our cart. By selecting all the options and adding this to our cart, we can get started, and now we can go ahead and open up our cart. So here in the upper right corner, we can click the cart option. That's going to enable us to take us to the cart from where we can get started with paying. And as you can see right here guys, at the right side screen, you have the option to select how you're going to pay. You have the option to either use a card, a Google Pay, or PayPal. What you want to do is select PayPal if you want to pay using PayPal. If PayPal is not available right here, then PayPal is not supported in your country and you cannot use PayPal for payments. It's only in some supported countries. So what you want to do is select PayPal right here and click pay with PayPal. This is now going to open up your PayPal account where you can log in normally and just confirm the payment, and after that it's going to take the money out of your account and use it for paying right here, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.